Welcome to this complete beginner course on Java. So I decided to do this because I want to refresh myself on the backgrounds of Java. It's been long since I touched those, but I want to use this as a means of going through those backgrounds again. So this course is for people who have basically no, who don't know anything about Java. You don't even know if you're new to programming. You don't know anything about programming. So my aim in this course is to get you from beginner to not master. It's like good. You can understand how to write Java code after going through this course. So it will be in steps, to be in I don't know, stages. What do you need to have installed in your system? Firstly, we'll go through the steps required to set up Java in your system and JDK. So you need to firstly download the JDK and install that in your system. Those are the boring steps. But without that, Java won't be able to run in your system. So that's not an issue. Just go to Google, I don't know, and just search something like download JDK. Next, the first link there will be Oracle. Just click it, and then what's happening here? You see, okay, you look for Windows for Linux users, Mac OS users, Windows users. So you click the download button. Okay, this from I'm using Windows, so I'll have to go through the Windows, and then you click the download. Once you click it, it starts downloading. After downloading, the installation, just go through everything. Don't set anything. Just click it, and then just install it. Install it in a normal application. And to confirm if it's running the Java in your system after installing, I don't want to go through those boring steps because I already have Java running in my system. But if you have any issue, you can always contact me through the comment section, and then I will be more than willing to address your issues. So to confirm if Java can run in your system, I don't know why it's this slow. Just do Java problem, not that version, and then that's it. It means I have Java running in my system. So that's the first step, and then IDE. IDE is like the environment you want to run your Java. You want to write the Java code. I want to advise anybody to write Java in, I don't know, Sublime Text. What is it? Notepad or even Vim for Linux users. Just download something nice. I would recommend Intellij for beginners. It has a community version, free version. It also has the paid version. That's the one I'm using. But to get the community version, just go Intellij community download, and then you go here. Why is it being this slow? Why is it bringing me to ultimate? Let's see. No, this is not what I'm looking for. This isn't it. This isn't it. This is ultimate. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the free download link. So you just click here and download it. I don't need it, so I want to download it. And then you just install it. So that's all you need to be able to run Java to start this course. So basically, you don't really need to have any programming experience or something like that. You just need to have the urge, the passion to learn Java. Java is a nice language. I can assure you that. But it's not for everybody though. Like if it's for you, get on with it. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want with it. So the next video, the next chapter of this series, will start with an introduction to Java. So we've done the preliminary introductory part, and next video we'll get on with actual learning. See you and see you then.